na wi ye nyina ye bom ne de aseda ni kabia e de abre nyankopon a na ose na ofata we kai me eye David ye na David ni book a ye friend Sam ye ko Psalm 22 verse 3 nyame a promise me nu mienu nyame a hye me nu mienu bo se ye yina ya osani free na himiem eba betra me nu mienu ya ye ya ye de mani mu nyame a promise me nu mienu say he inhibits in the praises of his people and it is nyame ankuyan na nra ye koda ye ne nyame ansan contract say chinchina wo se hu ne na se nyame adom wa ma ye hunu ana menu mienu ayan so ya sade se de na ye bebre no enra ye koda ye na de pa bia nchi menu mienu anke ko bisa hwan I want anka ko jai no be say adenti no ama de panche me who are you enu ntia na wi come home na akoma kro on Adom 106.3 let's enter into his gate with thanksgiving. Let's enter into his court with praise. Let's give thanks to him and praise his holy name. Esan se nyamiye na toyan so hododo. Yahweh is good and his love is eternal. Nyamiye, he is faithful. At least it is a reason enough. Say na we be nyamiye. Ana brapani Francis Eje me pacho pi say ye nyame aye na hwie ya me pacho nyanya ne kwaso ano no ana ete for all of a sudden gospel musician kakra kapa ba kwa pass through the studio and na hwie mami engage ne kakra na ye kwa yanim ne ye kaka ye ho how good the Lord has been to us. Saka Francis Eje openi kese pa e wo fie ha eja me ma wakwa ba o ye nia ewie de ye nyame ayo ye na ye ma no na eja can be kire yen we in a minute or two ehu edi akra na ehu hia se wo se ana adentimpo ena wo se nyame ama de pa bia chinye ye na ye ne de na seda ene ne nkamfo edima no ene dey nyame fata se de bana so okay kan Psalm 150 na o se mo ma ne ehumi nyina that's right enye rade aye se okoda obekoda mpam nazo the second when you can go so that's right edine ekoso won nanim bia wonim na chese empani wakasa bi se wonim owu a hwena chese tumi bi wo ho na se emra the second when you bete no when it wia instead when you about so me sorry be 6 a.m. and bibisa that's right but actually you dan cause one sorry was 6 a.m. oh sorry minutes bia wo no na wani ma wo so enti nyina kire wo say tumi bi wo ho a nyame tumi a ono na ye wo sa e do sorry a wo say otumi hye nyame anu onyam that's right ene nyame bambo boy ho ban you driving ya koni aba na ya de nyina mu nyame boy ho ban that's right because unim say enye ni panyina wo kra se wo kwa otumi sa baba sa situation bi na wo ko mu no obi ko mu wantumi amaba biem awo no kokko ye obi ko awo so ko wo yo enso wantumi ama no ose atiasefo ne be nyame aye sa wona waka wano tuma na wana wuntumi nyame aye the moment na wo nkwan yes nyame ama wo kwan se eze wo yi na ye that's right it is yi na ya Nefata. Na mati say the new one bi abehwe. Epa jo am the new one. Ye be baso ba yenko old ne kaka. Yenko old ne kaka. Every tongue which rise against you. Anyu wo kai pa. We are the UK. We are live in UK. We are live in UK. Can we do this? Yeah. Can we do this? Let's do this. Akodi biara. Obebo etiamino. Erinye yo. Techeme biara. Ebe sorry etiamino. Akodi biara. Erinye yo. Techeme biara. The sorry etiamono. Hey ni nyami kwa
kweja padie
aba
eini nyami mani daso iyo nyami ba iye Yesu dia etimini kuguda eini nyami kweja padie eini nyami bani daso iyo nyami ba iye Yesu dia etimini kuguda. Osayala you tell me dance diala
no cre na chese se uye nyame ba undin kugu.
Yes, be nyame ba
ka bibi kire me wo ho.
Just say okay kan Isaiah 54 no verse 17 or say akodi biara obosha wo say Kristo ni no.
That's right.
Enyi te kire me biara be so retia watemu no obebu no fo na ho no say eyi di nyame ma agya pade.
That's right.
Anyone train ya efimi awurade no.
That's right.
It be fine na me de ye anyum hye nyame no nyame say eya Kristo ko de nyame ma yi no akodi biara ni pa bi ahia say omobotia no Yesu di nti enye yie. And anubia eka won sembone bia pese wani mugu ase ada pese ukọ say yem no Yesu din ti sa takrema ni nyina wabu ne for the daw.
That's right. That's right. Na ni nyina mu no 2018 wo de foforo aba behwe.
The foforo aba pa.
Title ne the same title.
Title dan kasa ye New Covenant. Album no title ye New Covenant.
Okay.
But they said they release it two medley.
Na diane alone no eno ye de here.
Alone no enso ewo and na they release promo copies no.
Okay.
Great God of Wonders and Ilona.
Okay.
They're 2-in-1.
All right. Me pacho, let's do 2018. They say you're old, they say you're brand new. Yeah, let's do 2018. All right, Francis Ajay, gospel musician or no any guest. When you're passing through, we are just passing through. Live on Ofie Kwanso. Brand new.
You are merciful God.
Go.
You are merciful God.
Ow.
You are God of wonders. We bless your name. Ow. You are God of wonders.
Ow.
We bless your name.
Ow. Ow.
You are merciful God.
Ow, Brad Francis.
You are merciful God. We bless. We bless your name. You are glorious God.
That's right.
You are gracious God.
That's right.
We bless. Sure. We bless your name. You are glorious God.
Glorious God.
You are gracious God.
Gracious God.
We bow to you. We give you praise, Jesus. Your wonders shall never end.
Never.
You are God of wonders. We bless your name. You are God of wonders. We bless your name. Your wonders shall never end.
Debida.
Your wonders shall never end.
Debida.
Hey, you are God of wonders. We bless your name. You are God of wonders. We bless your name.
Eja enyumwe die sunsun wo mu.
No kwasa pa abom we no.
Sunsun wo mu pa o.
Abom we no. Jitum say was my break for 10 years.
That's right.
Me mpa bone made yina me prepare say obi kura me ma out da. Ma men wan she betrim say me obi a me legend. No.
That's right.
I prepare fully say obi a me abom da we me da bi abom.
Sunsun wo.
Enti me manager kwasi Ernest and Shadak yours your technical advisor.
That's right.
And one do one na ye kan kui and ye producers ade say empeja nyamedin ayeye na ewo my Ghana mo no ensan peja ne ho bio na ye hye nyamedin na onyam.
That's right.
Enye no nkwanyum bebre wo so enyum bebre wo album so.
That's right.
About 13 tracks.
13 tracks. Now say 13 tracks we releasing in now.
There be where there you start the promo copies.
Wow.
Worship was here about 22 minutes non-stop worship. It was very powerful.
Good.
Chi wum brofo wum bibia.
Okay. It's album no obefre album na saying album
a new covenant.
New covenant. I didn't know friend new covenant.
Because nyame de yewura apam ne di kan no won say Jesus Christo na ye wapam da mu but Jesus Christo be wuye no na osore ye
that's right
ne nkwa wode bo afore ye ma wagye afi esumu agye api apam da mu e de ya ba apam foforo mu na ne moje do hwie gu ma ye ama ya de ye ho na ma ye tire kan ye won say Christo fo a ye de DJ hye ya media na onyam enti no enwom ba ko wo so say apam foforo mu mfaso a manyan ne say Yesu ayi made so anyina akọ. Into album the title is a New Covenant.
New Covenant. Sure. But this particular one we in the title.
God of Wonders in Ilona.
God of Wonders.
Where the title I promote copy the title that's Ilona.
Sure. Yo. Ora Francis J. We there you be jaha. You be jaha. We there now all pass. We there just a
put it right on. It is a friend very jolly
Yo, Yamin Kaho. Good. Ora Francis J. And I'm going to tell you, oh, what praises say. Question Ernest. Nice one. Where you, Ilona? Yeah, Abraya Tinkwamu. Yan Chain once a while. Yenya yanke ben and runs when Rechamuko. Yenya yanke ben or Chinaba or Chinasunya guarantees a minubian yebu. So perfect time, yes, Abrewa. Yenya Mia, yes, and so ye, not joy and so hot do. Brand you want cry. And now Ora Francis said Jay was signed the Ababa Shimukra. Let's start it from the top again. God, you are merciful God. Merciful God. You are God of wonders. We bless your name. You are God of wonders. We bless your name. You are merciful God. Merciful God, you are wonderful God. We bless your name. You are God of wonders. We bless your name. You are glorious God. You are gracious God. Baya ko animu ani ade aseda de ma GT Bank. GT Bank e boa ma osika semwa koye. Say afi usika semwa nkoye start to ni year why? O to ni year. Start to ni year with guaranteed trust bank. Send your bear afi da ene. Now on so what to me ade hu usika semwa. Say obetumi aye financially independent. A guaranteed trust bank. Any idea ni che ni akọ start sa dream ni dia free. Nyame adom what me anya ska start store ne kakra bi wo. Wo ni so ade hu so obebiem. Wo ne guaranteed trust bank ending kita wo so. Open loan be there to me that you child want to me be what you memoana. On a guaranteed trust bank for any kita also why. Open a year banker will be to me the monthly salary afa. Na a da who here sika no almost to me be my support on time. On a guaranteed trust bank for Nikita also why. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? GT Bank. You are shall never end. Me patrol DBS roofing sheet. Sibwa Musi Dayina, a year building contractors, estate developers, and Krankra Musi Modain. DBS roofing sheet and penny force young Kanchem Samoya, dear Yamamwa Yukopa. DBS industry, Semwa Musi Dayina, Yamamwa Yukopa. But mo dru baby a mo be use a chance na dia bodan no so dia. Mo fa mo ni che baby ba ko pe. Mo dru baby a mo roofi dan no so nko ade a. Mo fa mo ni che baby ba ko pe. Spinkters Road DBS building ni bia ben papa ye. E ho na wo ba beto roofing sheet ni nyina de afre. Se uto roofing sheet na di free DBS. Ye ma 20 years warranty just a hope. Utra DBS I just walk top Jesus. Esra wada. What brand when you scan into uto roofing sheet at quality no. 20 years warranty. Roofing sheet and show to an no ahoro no. E DBS nko a. For 020240 844 444. Patro, we are Bana Wutiemia, and was so to me a healthy link, healthy woman. A dray be now the short bag in one. Yan chain and Yadian San, Yanum healthy link, healthy woman. Healthy link, healthy woman, idiot. Once I will your bar who call a bar a real show who could just Ujine Jamunia diadem. And who be here so be to be a healthy link, healthy woman. A boy increase your immune system. A moya one day. A improve blood flow, miniaba. Or heart disease, Nina, a cut the chance and not a lower the chance of any heart disorder, not heart disease. Kwa wa bra bomu one. Me patro wo your bar peninsula wo yade ye menopause. A dry edge a healthy link menopause tablet. Healthy link menopause tablet. Pharma transform what the just furniture license kept cash of pharmacy be ubenya bi o hata why. Na mum say ti yade pa dia Jonas. Eye Kojak for dre friend Proco. Jonas say ti yade pa dia Jonas. Eye Proco. Say ti yade pa dia. Akete se men kan show Jonas say ti yade pa dia ye Proco. Kojak phone what the abaja so kaka no so be free wa ye Kojak sensitive toothbrush any Kojak F&P toothpaste furniture just be bia benya bo hot wa et for furniture you can see drug line one for Kojak one mass 0249 20 99 20 0249 20 99 20 and area my main course Santa Maria na me fanchi akese enkoma natural way herbal clinic adwuma fo wo ho isanse wo bo adwuma pa won na wo yade kidney yade a wo tu gidie na mo a wo de wani try natural way herbal clinic say ye boason yade say ye kidney stones say ye kidney problem bia no natural way herbal clinic Professor Wiafia Kente won adwuma fo wani mu ten wo mo experience wo bo ahwo ama ho atumi ato why Santa Maria wo ben eye Ja Love Hotel e ho na be hu natural way herbal clinic 0245 159 547. Na ene akwaye wuku ada on papa se na ewuku ene wuku enche bia ya wada beba fia dania starting ye no won amode hye eda fom amukosie omu nyina no Adom FM ye mamo ya akwa why but ye no contract no se mon fan come transition for de ene adwuma no mu wie yo se mo be ye no amani monyam pa ababusua na mu a e wo se mo de ye no hu hihye ye nyina baby amudi funu ne beto baby a chese baby funu daka eye canopies enkonya esie ye ho baby ebetutu form chese eye ne hu hihye ye nyina mo fa de so ani nyina nkodan transition ye member of the enterprise group wo ha chokwa no so mo fa ye ne ho dadwe nyina baby a mo be ye ne po mo space e be ye ne wo ho ha chokwa transition wobebo am abusua na ni mu ambanyam wa munsie mo de hye no na enye fe me pacho enche bia ye de afutuo ebebre eno eche na Gator Sports besom enen so ye de radio drama solutions ye radio drama ye de eno so bebre but papa yam peke the radio yam peke phone calls be 23 bi na yen koye nim me pacho betumi afrem 0302 216561 216562 0268 499 347. Yo, hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, afternoon.
Mama, now what to say?
I say,
me patro wudini baby I will share ye.
Yes, Premier Joe Casafi James Town.
Joe, area nyamia ye bia manu abusu ayentie we.
Nyami wa ye papa. The guys that Mamia Bofra, me Vinny Vesa. I am a kid one, yes, I think I'm there. A Radia. Then I did car and Psalm 34 verse 1. Bless the Lord. I'll bless the Lord at all times.
That's
and
right.
His praise shall continue to be in my mouth.
Sir. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Na me pacho why you?
Pacho de se kunkun dada situ asamanka se.
Yo, oniana bibia boko de.
Oh, nyame gusu sira me matamfo na bra.
Yo, ewia yemfa nyame aye mre no e.
Yo, me de nyame ase. Awo pepen so de ma bibi. Ono oye batesia nyame anisa sia ne ma. Ye difini ye fibe mu nyina okra so won okra yemu. On hwe ye bone ye mumu ye ayo. Doka so hwe ye mumu ye anka uta ye twe na ebrate. Daga na man ko wa hwe ye sese Sodom and Gomorrah.
That's right.
Nanso the humo born wo mine and that's what came from. Me da mabusia me da se mama mabusia ne me fie fo me nuanu nyina ne Ghana mine. Titiri ni o mine mo ma ye TV asem nsem na ma hu senia asofo a ba mo o be kire man be fa so a ne na mentem na be ba bo. Me da se me fa kwanye su na mintia mi sister wo.
Obetu o ya danyamia se mana brabo. Untumi nchia wo sister. Yo, hello, good afternoon.
Great Black Eye.
Hey, respect Ashamine, Lebanon 5.
Zone 5.
Zone 5.
You too much.
Na bibia boko de respect.
I said if you say now say.
Nyamina to mo shey dread. E bia brilliant we.
I say ya bi do rokodo. Obo show respect e ka ti ada. Me dan ya me ase ma me customers yi na wo be you show respect e ka.
Amen.
Bracket, I don't know who good to I know I see. Yes, bracket. You too much.
Amen.
The wrong friend even they are not my safe. I don't know. We try it to me. They be no be. I don't know from go. You may see. That's
Nyamenka. Yam pick it 2 more calls and come Akete. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Me pacha when you. Nicholas.
Me kasa kama komsiwa.
Yo, ewia nyamia jonu abusua yentie we.
Oh, nyamia bambo ayekase ewo me me bisu na ne mana ufoni me djuma fu na so. Ni komfo ni gina we so adanyamia tiama apostolic Ghana.
Sa.
Ko o mindful district pastor. Me nyamia si pa na brabo. Onko so a onbo mindful district so no nyame ensure abayekase ewo no so. Me don't ma wo black eye. The pia no nyame ma won kwani ahoden a o ma yan se nya akwanya adefre.
Amen.
Ani mo brother Ben carpenter wa kra me nyame ase ma vision ko nyina se yetin kom ye wa ahoden. O nyame ba si e tira yan o bi ye nyoma e mai. O nyame o se obi dia baba.
Amen. Aketi am pick your for twato na wie. Hello, Kachiri.
Hello.
Me patron hwan you?
Pacho Desmond ya samanka se.
Yo, na bibia bako de adi.
Oh, nyame adom ne mo mpaibo.
Yo, ewia nyame ajonu abusua yentie we.
Yo, me de nyame ase e mama brabo. Me se de nyame ase mama abusua ne mi nuanum. Me maame ba ko a ndi kuma film. Aye ma Jane. O chira de o Methodist Wesley JHS. Me mano me se nyame sira de mano. Se nyame enjeche ne re. On the 9th and 10th. And the be na yi no ne me kan se nyame na obo no ho ban bi sin na day no. Obo no ho ban so ade akosi da de be kra akra. Na ya chapter na jibra. Yes out of what say omumba dom yen.
Amen.
And that's it. Nyame shira won so.
Nyame nka ho na catch it here for so on the last call and me mo bi am free be catch on me.
Me am in la cola. Samanka se. Mo bia se di wa be ka obe pro o phone be freezy. You are God of wonder. We bless.
4 o'clock now, boy. I Adom 106.3 FM. Ofie Kwanso ni bedini kwesi apia between friend Black Eye. Between them Mamini Abema Jerry Justice. Chief producer Papa Bills. Quadruple the action as well. Hey, African. Hey, Akete. Hey, Jonah. Ebusuan for Munti eni aba na wiase e ba ne aba besom wo. Eno ti ho afide ni na aha. Nya nsum free sabre kopim se no nsia bebo wa. Enche bia me de futu bre.
Kwanso ebusia meeting de kwesi apia obetimi afra me black eye
Jim FM.
I do a video to her Adom 106.3 Ofie Kwanso ni ena waso gu a wuti baby adri e dia futu bro a futu a ye de ba ne nyina ya baka ka ye ho ne nyina ya bedwendwe ho ne ya bobo ho aboafo eboa so yasene Future Life Health the healthy drink Feco Spray Starch Global Access Savings and Loans Serene Insurance and afi adomonline.com me pa cho say 31st night sorry sorry. One class sorry mpa. 31st night na dear baba chia baba 1st January of a new year no. Say oh year some resolutions be New Year resolution year free 2017 about 2018 me sure pass wo kwa sorry ko kan you be breakire nyame one kwa sorry mpa wa baby na wo no na o wani so adu say 2018 I have some plans 2018 me pesa me to way 2018 pesa me go school 2018 me pesa me yesay 2018 pesa me yesay 2018 pesa me yesay na wo nyoma bebre a o pesa o ye ne 2018 ma me sao how far Every 31st night now, we bomb pie planning for the year 2018. No, and net da a year 31st day of October. No, maybe so 2018. How far? New manua udi see when you snap person year 2018. No, what to me are you be ana? What to me? What to me are you be a dear? What to me are you no? Mema wa ayuko pa. Na dia udisi wanusu na want to me anya up till now afene kwa we no and also how far maybe so how far she affect say ne a year from now you will wish say you had started today say ena ye ka say ohun e kire ana nyoma bia wo hwehwe in life no entumi mba mu mfama wa eye the way a wo enra your yesterday one shishen yoma bintino enunti na ama enei obre ana enei nyoma bin shedan koye na ma brabo mo tache is because wo enra no 1 to 2 nyoma bi ye one fa nyoma bi ensisi ye in your yesterday enunti na ma today aye bibibi but the good thing is you have today say obetumi dia aye bibi e say today you want to take your opportunity of today no one ye bibi am for situation how to improve your life or china afi say ne ebeba no na still ujina baby a ujina na enunti say on person wo be miserable next year by now and they do something ye bibi a year from now you will wish you had started today emre wo ye ninka so why mesrel ye bibi na enkwa wo ho nku ade ani da so wo ho nyame nsa wo ho nku ade ebe ko yie dodo adwuma de ta chire wate ebe kododo me patcho so the Feco Spray Starch o de to ade a ema atade nani da ho Feco Spray Starch o de to atade a ema atade no ahya okura tum se yes confidence level na ekosoro ankasa me patcho o de Feco Spray Starch e to ade a ehun po hia so be sade spray ana perfume asade agu e wo nice fragrance o mu a esaja nice scent watade nim me patcho ube luku shapa eye Feco Spray Starch ubenya bia to odwa so ba bia store na eben ho area mo so ubenya bi ho eye Feco edini e Feco Samara company for no de Feco Spray Starch wo de abadwa so pebi na top na use why Global Access Savings and Loans One more boa am what to me a grow business no. Business now starting a ketuano. Global Access Savings and Loans will be to me a boa what to me a be a human. I be any medium scale. Business now starting a medium scale. Global Access say will be to me a boa what to me a BM a be on a large scale. Growing your business and no any global access savings and loans. One money swadi huno. And unti mesra one woni kita waso why. Senia ebe emreni mremu. Ye kwa ya nimu a wo hia sika de bia adwuma no hia sika de akofa nneoma begu shop ni mo no. Global access savings and loans susu beba beginem. Na won so atumi aboa ye pa. Na onim se Ghana ha. Global access savings and loans wo money the pioneers. Ye ka pioneers wo mo no mu di kan e wo money transfer business in Ghana ha. I tell you. Money transfer business in Ghana. Global Access Savings and Loans for and at whatever my Ghana muhakane. Yente woman who was boni be identity who are dofonia bushama manone. Number send you scam. One fan for Global Access Savings and Loans. From Amaso 0302 734 580. Your partner, your choice. Here can you there your Global Access Savings and Loans. Na ne krakram wonu Serene Insurance say wa car no insure ya. Esere wada. Ko insure. Esan say unya accident awaju yeso insurance ye hu shedan hia. Se wo fie ejanto mu a na wajapade ne janto mu a. Waju yeso insurance ye hu kra shedan hia. Insurance hu hia ne say. Me pa chaw. Insurance eye dia is a necessity hu hia papa. What is can what to car no enu to insure ye ko be anhwe ya no bi de car kra be bo car mu no ase wo car. Se when insure with Serene Insurance, you buy your car na mam watumi asi road so watumi aye adwuma nya sika sha ho. Ahwe abusua. Serene Insurance, aviation insurance, woye general insurance, woye marine insurance, woye motor insurance. Se ope eye nsiachi ba papa bi e de aboa na so watumi secure investment no a eye Serene investment and Serene Insurance and also no odin kita so frɛ wa maso 0302 917 444 0302 917 444. Shisha Serene Insurance at Chakwan, our first floor, first Sky Tower, Community 25 Junction, Main Road in Aso, after Kpong Barrier. La Paz and Subehu N1 Highway, no so, when ADB Nadine Shedimu. Say open the new phase of insurance, near your Serene Insurance. You may cry them on or boss yesterday. Ma ye dear foot to the bro. No, I bought Pemwa, ye the irrigated sports, Ebesomo. But in between time.